loud. We're at, what's it called again, Cheyenne?
Belmont Park.
Belmont Park in Mission Beach. I just repeated every single thing you said. Yep. But we're about to get our tickets to go riding, and I look naked right now. Look how tan I got. Wait. Tan. Real tan. Okay, bye.
Spinny. Is this your first time here, Keegan?
Yeah, it's my first time here. Is this your first time here?
My first time here.
Has everyone not been here? Have you been here, Boo? Boo's face was really funny in that. They're about to drop. So, oh, they're so small I could just squish them. That's weird, sorry. Whoa. Wanna go on that one, Boo? Yeah? Yay!
So far, this is the best trip I had.
Aww. We just rode the big ride. That one, twice, and I really wanted to videotape it, but I'm afraid to drop my camera. Oh, there they go. Have fun, don't die. Now we're in line for this guy. Oh, look, are they going above us? They're right there. Hi, have fun, love you. Be safe. What do you rate that ride? Oh, definitely a 10.
I'm 11. 69.
21.
Yeah, grow up.
No.
Okay, so we're vlogging for Keegan right now because she's on a control freak ride. There they are at the top. She's making hand signals to us. I'm not sure what they mean. Say hi, Keegan. We're back and they're about to go on this control freak and actually start the ride.
Yeah.
Wow, yes.
Doesn't look that fun.
No, it looks kind of scary, not gonna lie.
What the heck?
Whoa. I should probably start filming more of Keegan because this is her vlog. But look, isn't she having fun? Like, look at this. This is scary, guys. Say hi, Keegan. I don't think she can say hi. She's a little busy now.
Corey doesn't look too happy anymore.
No. Wow, this has good lighting. Look at the back lighting.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
It is. Say hi to your fans. That's Corey. She looks like she's dying. How was it, Keegan? Tell us. So I'm sitting out on another ride again. So I'm gonna vlog for Keegan instead. And they're on the tilt-a-wall. Keegan, it's a little blurry. Is that okay? Oh, I got it. It's gonna be super fun, right? Super fun? Yeah, no, my stomach cannot take this, no. Yes, I'm a little wimp, I know, but it's A1 okay. Because I did the roller coaster one. Keegan's a big inspiration on my new vlogging thing. Like and subscribe for me. Oh, they're going! I don't know where they are, I'm not sure where they are. Well, oh look, there they are! That was for some friends. Oh look, there they are! Oh look, there's a friend, there's some friends, there's a friend. I think I lost them again. Oh look. Look, they're having fun. People are probably judging me. I'm talking to myself and I'm all alone. People are staring at me because I'm talking by myself and I'm all alone, but really I'm talking to you guys. So it's like not weird, but like people around me don't know that. So like they're like staring at me. Well, you know, it's cool. It's whatever. It's for the vlog, you know? Anything for Keegan's vlog. And there's this really weird old guy who just stared at me because I was talking in the camera. Keegan, how was it?
I think Allison and Cheyenne started crying.
I wouldn't be surprised. There was friend 1, friend 2, Keegan Acton, and friend 4.
Your face was like...
Now we're gonna go on this submarine thing. Look at how cool that looks. Like, this is my kind of ice.
We're in a submarine. Ooh. We're out of focus. Ah! No! Get me off this thing. I want off. All I have to say is those children are evil. I feel like I need a hearing aid. It's the best word control. What? I'm scared to vlog this. If we die, I blame you. Or if this camera dies, I blame you. I can do this. I can do this. Enjoy this nice view of the guy in the green shirt. Or is it broken? No. It's broken? Are you kidding? It's broken. So our ride's broken. Why? Why every time? I hate you guys. There's no cameras allowed on this ride, and I told Corey, I was like, guys, there's no cameras. And she was like, people do it all the time. And I'm like, okay. I stopped the ride and took my camera from me. And tell the story about what the girl said.
So we're sitting there and this girl goes, maybe she's a YouTuber. And we all turn around and go, she is. And she's like, I'm sorry.
So embarrassing. This is beautiful. Corey and I are sharing it. Everyone else is either getting hot dogs or eating ice cream. Lamos.
Me and Cheyenne, we had like 4 hot dogs, and the hot dog guy was so mad at us. How you doing?
Horrible.
Yeah. So she's gonna sit this right out and become a wuss like me. And I wanna help Keegan vlog since she hasn't really been vlogging on this trip. Don't tell her I said that. But you know, they're about to go on this and it doesn't really look fun. Personally, I will not recommend this ride because we can do all this twirly moving stuff. A 1 out of 10 recommended. I do not recommend it even though I've never been on it. I don't recommend it. Oh, and there's a lot of cute guys here. We've been like, ooh, look at that cute guy. Look at that cute guy. Wave! They wave back at you. We're about to go. Look at it. See, look at it. It like twirls you around and makes you stuck. Oh, look, there they are. Look at those legs. Wait, was that it? What happened? Uh-oh.
I told you it was gonna break down.
You're doing great. Doing amazing, sweetie. It's broken.
One of the girls almost fell out, so they had to stop the ride.
And 2 people left after they found out the horrific news. Isn't Keegan a trooper? Man, do I wish I was like her. Now they're laughing at some kind of joke.
They're laughing at the poor girl that almost fell out.
What if she actually like fell out?
We were joking about that earlier.
I know. They're all troopers. They're all gonna do it again after hearing the news. And here we go. Ride's about to go again. Look, here we go.
I'd be so sad.
Sorry guys, that wasn't Keegan and them. And Keegan looked like having a blast. Okay, that looks like all are accounted for and alive. No shoes fell off. No phone. No spam. Okay guys, how was it?
That was really fun. Do you know the girl where
almost fell out?
Did you watch her almost fall out?
Yes.
Wait, do you have it on video?
No. Just kidding, we don't know if she
Apparently like her boobs were too big.
Alright, let's go on the roller
They
coaster.
couldn't like tighten it enough. And so they literally like pushing it onto her like everyone's like suck it in, suck it in.
Just suck it in. It's like going to the roller coaster now. Okay, so we're at this ice cream place. I'm a weenie, I didn't get ice cream, but they did, so it's okay.
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
What did you get and how many scoops?
1 scoop of chocolate.
Allison's also a lame-o, didn't get anything. Keegan, what'd you get?
Cookie dough and cookies and cream.
Well, as you can tell, Allison's the weird one in the group, so we could say this was a successful night.
No, you want a bite?
Oh, yeah. Keegan's still eating her ice cream. Okay, story time. The girl's over there. And there was a guy that walked by and like they kissed. Okay, one of the girls out of the, what, 5 of them? And they don't know each other, so they're like strangers and they like kiss.
Hey Allison, you should do it. Okay.
Like kiss a stranger. Like who kisses a stranger?
I'll kiss a stranger.
That they were
If I'm
hot.
feeling desperate.
What do you gotta do to it?
1 out of 10. No!
They're pointing at us.
I'm like close to like... The guy's trying to get his friend to like wave at the camera.
Please.
Allison, do it!
We're just not the type of girls to kiss strangers.
Wow.
I mean, maybe her.
Oh! Okay, so we just met these guys. There they are.
Hey, guys,
What's your name? What's your name?
Finley.
What's your name?
Caden.